All right, I got the Tundra inside right here. Like I said, they just pulled it out of detail. I'm trying to see, I'm trying to get it out of the light. I don't see anything right here or nothing like that. And I'm just kind of coming down. Let me get up to the top. If you can see that. Let's see, coming around the front. And I'm just trying to take my time with it. Now, yeah, you're gonna see some reflections from those lights up there, but like you said, if you get up close to it, it ain't gonna be. Let's see, that's that front bumper right there. All right, and that's going around there, and all them angles. All right, and we over here on the driver's side. That right there, that's just some fingerprints from that spray that they use on the tires. They just detailed it, so it's gonna have some evidence of that. And now I'm just kind of going down here. Like I said, the only thing I saw over here on this side was that light little scratch right there. Probably something that could be buffed or something like that. Watermark and stuff. Backing away so you can see that. And then we getting up close to it again. Everything looks good back here. And then coming down the tailgate. It's getting up down here. And I put this in the other video. There's just a tow hitch right here. It has some couple little scuffs right there in the plastic, like it might have been from putting the trailer on there or something. But ain't nothing huge. It ain't nothing too noticeable like there. Like I said, it is a pre-owned vehicle, so it's gonna have some little things, and that's just from using a trailer. That's just usage right there. And everything else, it's got the little step right down here. I'll point that out. Oh, put my foot on that. There you go. So that step comes out to allow you to step into the bed of the truck. And then once again, hit that. Bring that down. Don't really like the bed of the truck was used much at all. No kind of dents or anything right here. It looks like it might have been some sheetrock or something put in here. There's kind of a little evidence of that, but no kind of big dings or scratches, anything like that. Let's hit this up. And all the wheels look good. No kind of curb rash or anything like that on the wheels. And then once again, just kind of backing away from the truck so you can kind of see it as a whole. Right there. And then I'm gonna just start it up real quick so we can see those lights. Turn those fog lights on. Got the LED headlights, LED fog lights right there. There's our tail lights. LEDs on here too. And then popping the hood up. Taking a look under here at everything. All right, everything looks good, sounds good, just got clean. Once again, it's got that panoramic sunroof. Kind of hit that. Let's open that roof up. Oh, gotta slide it back. There you go. There, that roof, it goes back. Of course, you probably knew that already. All right. And then just kind of looking at everything in here, looks good. All right, just wanted to give you another little walk around of the truck, help you see it a little closer. Clean Tundra, ready to go.